How to fix missing Show My Caller ID on iPhone. Okay, first let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we go into settings, and from settings, scroll down. Then what you want to do is tap on apps, scroll down, and in here we go in and tap on phone. Okay, in this section, if you go down to the calls section, normally you should see no caller ID or show my caller ID. So what you want to do is, if it's not there, simply eject the SIM tray, pull it out, and make sure you put in a valid SIM card. Make sure it is working, and put it in like this. And then you may need to reopen your phone app. So here, if I go back in and reopen, it should refresh, and now it will show my caller ID. So show my caller ID is now visible, and from here you can choose to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.